Hey there, and welcome to today's quick tutorial. If you're concerned about privacy and looking for a more secure browsing experience, then Qwant might be the perfect choice for you. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to set Qwant as your default browser on any Android phone. First, open the Qwant app on your Android mobile. Next, tap on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner. Then, from the menu, click on Settings. After that, at the top of the Settings screen, tap on Set as Default Browser. At the top of the Settings screen, turn on Set as Default Browser. Now, a prompt will appear. Next, choose Qwant from the list of available browsers. Finally, tap Set as Default to confirm your choice. You've now set Qwant as your default browser. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more privacy-focused tech tutorials and easy Android tips. See you next time.